Hey there, welcome to our video on how to get free Target gift cards using giveaways. Today, we'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how you can win Target gift cards without having to spend any money. Target is one of the largest retail chains in the United States, offering a wide range of products including clothing, electronics, home goods, and groceries. Whether you're looking to save money on your next Target shopping spree or just love free stuff, winning a Target gift card through a giveaway is a great way to do it. Tip 1. Follow Target on social media. The first tip is to follow Target on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Target frequently posts giveaways and contests on their social media pages, offering Target gift cards as a prize. Make sure to keep an eye out for these giveaways and enter them for a chance to win. Target often posts giveaways that require users to share their content or tag friends in the comments. By engaging with Target's social media accounts, you increase your chances of winning their giveaways. Tip 2. Subscribe to Target emails. The second tip is to subscribe to Target emails. Target often sends out emails to their subscribers, offering exclusive discounts and giveaways, including Target gift cards. Make sure to sign up for Target emails and keep an eye out for these promotions. Target also frequently sends out personalized coupons to their email subscribers, which can be used to save money on your purchases or earn Target gift cards. Tip 3. Enter Sweepstakes. The third tip is to enter Sweepstakes. There are several websites such as Sweepstakes Advantage and Sweepstakes Fanatics that list ongoing sweepstakes and giveaways, including those for Target gift cards. Make sure to enter as many sweepstakes as possible for a higher chance of winning. It's important to read the sweepstakes rules carefully, as some may require you to perform certain actions like sharing the giveaway on social media or referring friends in order to be eligible to win. Tip 4. Participate in online giveaway communities. The fourth tip is to participate in online giveaway communities. There are several communities on social media platforms such as Facebook and Reddit that focus on sharing and participating in giveaways. Make sure to join these communities and participate in any Target gift card giveaways that are posted. These communities are also a great way to discover new giveaways and sweepstakes that you may not have found otherwise. Tip 5. Follow influencers and bloggers. The fifth and final tip is to follow influencers and bloggers who frequently collaborate with Target. These influencers and bloggers often host giveaways on their social media pages, offering Target gift cards as a prize. Make sure to follow these accounts and participate in any giveaways they host. These influencers and bloggers often have large followings, meaning that their giveaways can be highly competitive. However, by consistently engaging with their content and participating in their giveaways, you increase your chances of winning. For a limited time, we are giving away 100 free Target gift cards for our loyal subscribers like yourself, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enter to win a free Target gift card by using our link in the first pinned comment below this video. Thank you for watching and good luck.